What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Today I will be talking about how to fly legally and safely with your firearms. Stand by, y'all. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. You know, once you arrive at the airport, you should immediately head to the agent at the check-in counter of your airline and inform them that you're traveling with a firearm, y'all. You have a firearm that you would like to declare. You know, the check-in agent will provide you with a weapons declaration card to fill out. And this card differs from airline to airline. But it will normally ask you to provide your flight information, your contact information, and would ask you to acknowledge that you are adhering to the rules and regulations of TSA and the airline, y'all. So once you complete, the declaration card, the agent will ask you to, place a copy in your checked baggage, or in your rifle case, y'all. At this time, the agent will normally request to visually inspect your firearm, your ammunition, your gun case, and your locks. So the check-in agent will visually inspect your firearm to ensure that it is clear. There should not be any rounds in the chamber or in the magazine, y'all, as you see here. So I have my PSA dagger here. Of course, the magazine is not inserted. And the magazine, does not have any rounds in it, y'all. So family, often when I travel, just to make this process go a little easier or smoother, I normally use chamber flags in my firearms. As you see here, it's that orange piece of plastic. This indicates that the chamber is clear, no round in the chamber, y'all. I've also used weed eater string for this purpose. So the check-in agent will also ensure that your ammunition is stored properly. So the ammo should be, in your manufacturer's packaging or a container specifically designed, for carrying ammunition. Family, as you see here, actually recently flew out on a vacation / training. And I actually took a brick similar to this, y'all. So it's 200 rounds of 5.56 ammunition. And I also took a 100 rounds of 9mm ammunition as well, y'all. You can fly with 11 pounds of ammunition in your checked baggage. Just a side note, y'all, that 200 rounds of 5.56 weighs about 4 pounds. Family, if your magazines can be completely enclosed, they would be considered, as an acceptable ammo carrying container, as you see here. So that's the mag pull AR mag. And it would be acceptable, y'all. The check-in agent will ensure that your firearms are in a hard-sided lockable case. And that case should completely enclose your firearm. So all lock tabs or holes, must have a lock associated with them, as you see here. In other words, y'all, everywhere, you see a hole, in your gun case, you should place a lock. So keep in mind that the requirement is to transport your firearm in a hard-sided lockable case, y'all. So the case that your firearm, was purchased in, may not be suitable. As you can see here with my Glock 19 case, there are no holes, where a lock, may be placed. So it would be disqualified, y'all. However, firearms like the Canik TP9, it comes with a lockable case, y'all. So it can effectively secure your firearm. There are also many aftermarket cases that are available. So this is a case I picked up from, I believe, Harbor Freight, y'all. Pretty inexpensive. And I also have the Pelican 1650 case as well, as you see here. It works really well, y'all. For my rifles and for transporting multiple firearms. So once the check-in agent has completed the inspection of your firearm, your ammunition storage container, and your case, you will be instructed to, lock your case, y'all. And according to TSA regulations, you may use any brand of lock you desire, including a TSA recognized lock. But I would highly recommend or caution against using TSA locks. They can compromise the security of your firearm, y'all. So once the check-in agent inspection is complete, TSA will, scan your locked gun case in the oversized or special baggage area. I would recommend that you, stay around the area for a while, 15 to 20 minutes or so, y'all, before you go through TSA security yourself. In many airports, you can stand in a spot that provides you with a visual, view of, the TSA special baggage check-in, y'all. In most cases, the TSA agent, when the TSA agent is finished, scanning and swabbing your case, he or she will, signal that you're good to go. And At this point, your firearm is checked in. So upon arrival at your destination, your declared firearm case or checked luggage, would normally be at the airline's baggage claim office. However, keep in mind that, it may come out with the regular luggage. Once you retrieve your gun case or your checked baggage, I would advise, you to open and visually inspect your firearm, y'all, just to make sure nothing is missing. And finally, every airline has its own rules and regulations on top of, what TSA requires. So do a little research, fam, just to make sure, you're checking every box. So that's how to fly with your firearm. Yeah. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.